Hi there, it's Kathy again. Did you know that there's a hidden link between light and aging? The kind of light that you're exposed to every single day can either help you to age gracefully or speed up the aging process. I'm going to dive into this fascinating world of light exposure and how it affects women over 50. Everything from sleep to hormones, to skin health, mental wellness, energy level, and how to fix it naturally. So if you're a woman looking to feel better, sleep deeper, and age more naturally, gracefully, then this video is for you. So let's get started by talking about your circadian rhythm. It's your body's natural 24-hour clock. And this rhythm controls everything from cell repair to hormone production to even metabolism. But there is a catch. It is highly sensitive to light, especially as we age. Light at night and its hidden age accelerators. Exposure to light at night, and yes, I'm talking about your phone, your tablet, your computer screen, your Netflix marathons that you may be watching on TV. They all throw off this rhythm. That means that your cells don't repair the way they should, and it makes it harder for your body to recover from injuries and illnesses. Plus, it can slow down your metabolism, making it harder to shed those unwanted pounds and causing you to run out of energy so that you can't get through your day the way you want. Did you know that it even causes your skin to start aging faster too? And there's a sleep quality and longevity connection as well. Poor light habits at night can affect your melatonin, and your melatonin is that sleep hormone that's so important. When the melatonin is suppressed by too much screen time or bright LED lights, your sleep suffers. And we all know sleep is everything when it comes to aging. Lack of sleep has been linked to memory loss, heart disease, weight gain, and lower immunity. But the good news is that small changes on your light exposure can make big differences. So try developing an evening wind down routine by dimming those lights, using screen blockers, or maybe not having any screen time an hour before going to bed. Now let's look at light and hormonal balance after 50. Get your day off to a good start by getting outside into some morning sunlight. This will boost your cortisol. That's another hormone, and it helps you to feel awake and energized. Then avoid screen time or switch to, softer lights an hour before bed. You're going to sleep better, you're going to feel more rested, and it's going to support your body's natural anti-aging processes. These blue light blocking glasses are so handy for watching your favorite shows that you want to watch in the evening on your TV or whatever device you use. And you can get them, check them out in the links below. And also you can learn more about blue light in this video that I did previously. If you're finding some value, then please hit the like button and subscribe so that you will never miss another video I do on living healthier, happier, younger, longer. Light also affects your emotional health. Natural sunlight helps to regulate moods and lower the risk of depression. especially during the winter months. You know, that seasonal affective disorder, sad. It is sad. For women over 50, staying mentally and emotionally strong is just as important as your physical health. So try to get some daily outdoor time. Now let's talk about skin. Did you know that the blue light from the screens you're using can actually go deeper into your skin than UV light? Over time, this breaks down the collagen, and of course, that causes hyperpigmentation, and it also leads to fine lines, sagging skin, and age spots. That's why I always recommend using a protective daily sunscreen. I personally like the doTERRA brand of the Sun Face Mineral Sunscreen Daily Moisturizer. It's lightweight, packed with antioxidants, free from harmful chemicals, and it shields your skin from blue light absorption. Now let's talk about vitamin D versus sun damage. Big controversy. Do I go out in the sun or not? And getting outdoors and getting sun exposure daily helps your body to produce vitamin D. And especially as women over 50, it's really critical for our bones, immunity, and our energy. Just don't overdo it. Do 10 to 15 minutes of sunlight and then protect your skin if you're going to be out longer. So let's go over some practical tips for healthy light habits. Get bright, natural light in the morning. Take outdoor walks for mood and vitamin D. Wear sunscreen daily as needed. Wear a sunscreen lotion that's going to keep your skin from absorbing the blue light, especially if you log into a lot of smartphone or computer time. Use warm lighting in the evening. Limit screen time before bed. Try blue light blocking glasses. I would love to know which of these tips intrigues you the most. Tell me in the comments below. Now, I know these light habits may seem small, but they have a huge effect on how you age. By employing these tips, you can honor your body's natural rhythms. You protect your skin, you're going to boost your sleep, you're going to balance out your hormones, and support aging gracefully. If this video helped you, help me by giving me a thumbs up and hitting that subscribe button along with the bell so that you will be notified each time I upload some new content for you. Want tips for aging well? And check out my playlist, Secrets to Age Well, My 10 Daily Habits. Drop your questions below and reach out to me if you'd like to chat more about healthy aging tips. In the description below, I left ways for you to get in contact with me. See you in the next video.